Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are again back with a new and exciting question that I have taken from uh, some websites. But the question here is very interesting because this question not only came in JEE Advanced, it also came in PRMO and also came in AMC10. So let's check how this question is very unique. Now at the first glance, if anyone sees this question, they will think that okay, there is a sequence that 1 by 2022 by 1 by 2023 plus up to 1 by 2064. There is a complete sequence, so we can do it by sequence in series. But after doing all the concepts and all the calculations, they will find that they can't able to find the answer only through sequence in series. So the main objective of this video is to understand you a very new concept, that is the concept of bounding. So bounding is a very interesting topic because through this concept you are going to answer a very you're going to answer questions with very long steps in the in very 2 or 3 lines, because the bounding concept is very easy because you are studying this concept from class 1 or 2, but you do not know about this concept really. So first just ignore the question and learn the concept of bounding. So here is bounding means what? Let's we have a sequence 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, a very small sequence is there, 1 plus 2 plus 3. So here S will be, what will be? S, here S will be greater than S will be smaller than 3 plus 3 plus 3 and greater than 1 plus 1 plus 1. So these are universal truth. No. Now what is 1 plus 1 plus 1? We are giving a lower limit to S, and 3 plus 3 plus 3 is a high upper limit to S. So we are bounding S by the lower limits and the upper limits of S. So this is called bounding. This is nothing is called bounding. Okay. So bounding is very interesting topic. So here S will be, we can writing it as S is greater than 3 and smaller than 9. So it is bounding. So let's try to solve the question through these concepts. Now here I have applied a symbol that is something like that. So this is called greatest integer function, or in short we can write it as GIF. So about this concept I will make a separate video, but in the brief, so that you can do this question, we can just say we can just define it as the value that is smaller or equal to x, smaller or equals to x, like greatest integer of 7.9 will be 7. Okay, so let's come to the question. The question says that compute greatest integer of 1 upon 2022 plus 1 upon 2023 up to 1 upon 2064. So how can we do it? Through the concept of bounding. Now let's just go and give it a name. Let's consider S as the denominator. It is 1 by 2022 up to 2023 up to 1 by 2064. Okay. Now now let's bound S by the limits. So S will be smaller than let's try to find. Okay, now here what we can see, this is the this is the largest term of S and this is the smallest term of S. And how many terms is there? Term number is 2064 minus 2022 plus 1, it will be 43. Now the answer, the boundings will be something like that, is smaller than 1 by 2022 plus 1 by 2022 up to 1 by 2022. How many times? 43 times. And greater than 1 by 2064 plus 1 by 2064. How many times? 10264. How many times? 43 times again. Okay. Now okay, so let's just do the summation. So S will be 43 by 2022 and greater than 43 by 2064. Here S will be here S. Now we have got S, the boundings of S, but in the question we have to find. Now let's say this is S, but in the question we are given 1 by S. No, we are given 1 by S. So let's find the boundings of 1 by S. So the boundings of 1 by S will be, it will be greater than 2022 by 43 by 2064 by 43. So 1 by S will be greater than 48 and less than 47. So if I do the greatest integer of 1 by S, it will be 47. And now here S is what? This stands for greatest integer of 1 by 2022 plus 1 by 2023 up to 1 by 2064 equals to 47. So it is the answer. So you can see this question that will take a huge amount of time. No, how we had done in a few seconds through by using the concept of bounding. So this is the main motive of this video, to understand you, to explain the concept of bounding through a question, because nothing is good by doing a question of a topic. Now this is what I have to say in this video. So more interesting video are yet to come in this channel. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and share, press the bell icon near it. So meet you in the next video of this channel. So let's peace out.